That's the thing. You don't want to shoot it behind the polar bear, because then the polar bear will come towards you. So I'll get 2 cracker shells and maybe a couple of slugs. We got just straight steel 3-inch loads for close range. I hope I don't have to see that. These bears are about 700 to 1,000 pounds. Alright, let's start with the cracker shell. And we'll start also with another cracker shell after these 2, and we'll follow with those 2 slugs. Alright, safety off. Let's see, we'll gauge it. I'm going to shoot to the right of that little bend in the river, a little mound. Let's see how far out it goes. Didn't go anywhere. It blew up right here. Okay, well, it's better than behind the bear. Let's try another one. Ooh, there it goes. Oh, wow. That was pretty far. I don't know if... so I guess I would shoot it if the bear is on the other side of the river. Not here, but that other part of the river there. Alright, let's blast away at the water here. Just on the other edge. Alright, well that works. Alright, lock and load.